Fuse taps allow me to easily tap into the fuse box to get 12-volt vehicle power. A fuse tap will add another power circuit to an existing fuse slot in the fuse box. This allows for two different devices to be powered by one fuse slot while separately protecting each circuit with a fuse. The first circuit is for the original device, while the second circuit is for the new device I am adding. If I want to get fancy, I can use a dual fuse tap, which will allow me to add two new devices. Fuse taps are directional. Even though you can technically use the fuse tap in either orientation, one of them is the correct orientation. For the fuse taps to be used properly, the common leg that both fuses are connected to needs to be inserted into the slot that provides power. If inserted in the wrong orientation, then the fuse tap is not going to work as designed in protecting the circuits. Using fuse taps can simplify hardwiring and installing dash cams, add-on USB ports, and other car accessories. Find out more in our full DIY video.